Good morning. My name is Kathleen Richardson. We are so thrilled to have a jam-packed room with an outstanding program as we celebrate together the National Day of Glass.
American glass manufacturing, how I love thee. Let me count the ways.
We love how alive glass is, how artists and designers make it breathe and dance and sing, and how scientists and engineers use it to solve many of the world's toughest challenges.
The human civilization has been defined largely based on the materials that have been of greatest importance to it, whether it's the Stone Age or the Bronze Age or the Iron Age. And I think there's a pretty strong case to be made that we are now living in the Glass Age.
You have just demonstrated once again that glass is unique and it's an intimate element of our life. Glass, engineering emotion, and creating memories.
I mean, there's just so many things you can do with glass. And when you have those capabilities, the options for developing, intricate medical devices to solve problems that nobody's solved yet, you actually got a pretty deep bench of ideas of where to go.
We need more of those vision-setting ideas in front of us that then we can put into practice, right?
We have to convince that glass science, glass technology, glass industry, glass art are cool, are fashion. Why? Because we need the best of them to include in the glass field.
As you're thinking yesterday, as you're thinking about glass and all things glass, right? It's, partner, past, present, and future. Was conceptually invented down the street.
So with our pioneering spirit, we keep reinventing glass in order to unlock its full potential.
The how and the why of glass making are not known, but because beads and other objects made at that time were decorated with vitreous glazes, it may have been a happy accident that then changed the world.
And just having this discussion that your windows and glass in buildings, it's not just an energy metric. There's comfort there. There's so much more than just an energy metric.
The administration is really focused on low carbon footprints, clean energy, clean environment, and being able to take glass out of landfills and start utilizing in both structural ways and physical ways that reduces either the carbon footprint or energy usage is certainly aligned with our mission.
How do we create systems that allow us to do science and engineering? We have to create platforms to do it. We have to work together so that people can combine their data sets, build on prior work, visualize their results.
I mean, that's remarkable. That's showing perceptual learning. Like, there's something going on that's so profound by this. And I had actually said to some vision scientists a few years ago, I think this is going to be a great probe for us to understand how color vision works.
And so there's a whole realm of using just the properties of glass, very carefully engineered, in order to completely transform what's possible.
So we would like to say glass window evolves continuously with development of a sustainable society.
But glass is also one of the few materials, I think probably one of the only materials, that is continuous in nature.
I believe this body, this industry has a very unique opportunity. I believe you have an opportunity, we have an opportunity to become the de facto standard of the circular economy.
If we as a society come out of this International Year of Glass with a broader appreciation of the material and inspire students to think differently about glass, then the global glass community will have succeeded with its mission.
And so I asked myself, what do you bring? What drives you? And I've been asking myself this question the whole time that I've been here. And I've decided that, to be completely honest, what drives me is frivolity. In other words, the unabashed love of life for no reason at all.